to learn in English in a fun way. So, jadi kalian tidak usah takut salah. In this class, making mistake is okay. So, no side, no nervous, and of course, no sleeping. Okay, I want to ask you something. Why do we need to learn English? Can of you get answer? What do we need to learn English? Kenapa kita harus belajar bahasa Inggris? Yang bisa menjawab? Ya, Jason.
Because English is very important for our life.
Yes, thank you for Jason. Okay. Because English is an international language. Jadi saat kita bertemu orang luar negeri, jadi kita bisa berbicara menggunakan bahasa Inggris. Maybe one day you travel abroad, you become a teacher, gamer, YouTuber, businessman, or content creator, and English can help your future. Okay, I want to ask you something again. Have you ever met a new friend at school?
Yes.
And what do you usually say when meeting a new friend? Yes. Yes. It's Jadi saat kita baru pertama kali bertemu orang, tentu kita harus memperkenalkan diri. Okay. Today we will practice how to introducing ourselves in English through listening and speaking activities. Okay, first we will learn about listening. What is listening? Pero? Yes, exactly. Listening means listening carefully to word, pronunciation, and information. Jadi dalam listening kita harus memperhatikan pronunciation dan isi pembicaraan. Okay. Remember, don't be afraid to speak English. Okay. Today we will practice. Okay. Now we will play a simple listening game. Oke, jadi kita akan bermain game simple. So, I will say some sentences in English, and your job is to listen carefully and guess the meaning. Okay, are you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the first sentence is, hello, my name is, what does it mean?
Halo, nama saya.
Okay, good. And the second, what's your name? What does it mean? And the last, nice to meet you. What does it mean?
Senang bertemu denganmu.
Okay, thank you. Now listen carefully and repeat after me. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hello, my name is.
Hello, my name is.
Good. And what's your name?
What is your name?
Okay. Good. What is your name?
What is your name?
Okay, good. And last, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, thank you. Your pronunciation is getting better. Okay, now we move to the speaking. if listening is about hearing and understanding, speaking is about our own voice, using our own voice. So speaking is ability to express how ideas, feelings, and opinions using English. So when we practice, speaking, don't be afraid of mistake because mistake part of learning. So the more you practice speaking, the better your English will be. Okay, remember, don't be shy, don't be afraid to speak English. And thank you for your great attention. You all did an amazing job, and see you next meeting. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.